Hello and welcome. I am Madhuram, your instructor for the course Complete Guide to Social Media Marketing. The only course you need to learn. There are a lot of options available, but this course is without a doubt the most comprehensive and effective in the market. This course is unique in a way it is structured and presented. I have incorporated everything to make this course not only more effective but more engaging too. Well, as a small business owner or an entrepreneur, you might be busy helping customers, managing staff, and doing everything that requires to run your organization smoothly. And while you have no social media is equally important, your time just can't be stretched any further. These days, businesses can't afford not to be active on social media after knowing the fact that social media is one of the best ways of connecting and building relationships with your customers and prospects. Having a Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter account keeps you tuned into your customer base and helps drive traffic to your website or offline store. Well, important question is how to use social media effectively and with limited resources to market your businesses. In this course, we shall learn how to add social component to your company by looking at it from your customer's point of view. We shall also learn how to create social media marketing plan to build awarenesses and engagement. Course topics will include what is social media marketing, social media and target audience, sharing content on social media, do's and don'ts of social media, tools for managing same, social media and other types of marketing, and many more. So it's time to have a look at what social media marketing can do for our businesses.